Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you, and please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works content. In this video, I would like to share what I picked up for the body lotion, body cream, moisturizer sale that Bath and Body Works had for $4.95. So most of what I have is from online. I did go into the store and pick up a couple of items. So let me show you what I got. So I went ahead and picked up Beautiful Day Moisturizer Body Cream. I love the clouds on that. I love anything that like shows the sky and fluffy clouds, and it's just so happy and peaceful to me. But the scent notes for Beautiful Day are sun-kissed apple, sparkling cassis, wild daisies, pink peony, and fresh woods. And I love this one, you guys. It's just so like apple and fresh, and it's just beautiful. It really is beautiful. So that's Beautiful Day. I picked up a Pretty as a Peach body cream. And the scent notes are blushing peach, jasmine petals, white nectarine, apple blossom, and sheer freesia. And this one smells like a beautiful peach perfume. Ugh. I love Beautiful Day, and I always get I love Pretty as a Peach, and I always get so many compliments on this whenever I wear it. So yeah, I love this. And what I try to do during sales, like I try to get like the most expensive of the items. Now, having said that, I already have body butters. The only body butters that were available at my store were Sunset Glow, which I already have, Strawberry, which I already have, and then they had Gingham. And I really didn't want that one, care about that one for a body butter. So just remember that. Keep that in mind. When they have those sales, try to get the most for your money. Like, try to get the most expensive items that they had. That's why I didn't pick up any body lotions, because I try to go for the expensive stuff. So that's just a tip. I picked up another strawberry pound cake in the body cream. And I already have a couple of these in the old packaging, which I'm trying to use up. If I could just stop buying more, right? But Bath and Body Works has a sale like every other day. Oh my gosh. But I am in love with this packaging. I love that color. That like hot pink. Oh my god. I love that color. That's like my favorite color. So I'm like, I might not even use this one. I might just sit it on my dresser. But the scent notes for this one are fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. It says, close your eyes and breathe in the cafe crafted aromas and decadent sweet smells of fall. And this one is delicious. It smells like a strawberry dessert. I love it. You get the strawberries, you get the vanilla, you get the sugar. And to me, this smells like strawberry cheesecake. So that is strawberry pound cake. Next, I picked up Hello Beautiful. Now, this was actually a recommendation from someone that watches my channel. I can't remember her name, but she said this is one of her favorite fragrances. So comment and let me know who you are, because I'm definitely going to try this since you said it was your favorite. So it says, say hello to beautiful. Fresh flowers picked just for you. The notes are white gardenia, jasmine petals, magnolia blossom, pink nectarine, and cotton musk. And I can't remember, did I show you the packaging? It's really pretty. I like the blue and the pink with the flowers. Let me see. Ooh, I do like this one. It's floral and fresh. And you get that musk. This is really nice. I like this one. I may wear that one today. Next, I picked up one of my favorites, Sensual Amber. This one is retired. Here's the packaging. Let me read you the scent notes. Feel the warm glow of golden sunlight on bare skin with our exclusive Sensual Amber. Key notes are golden amber, wild berries, orange flower, lotus petals, and creamy sandalwood. And you guys, this one is so beautiful. Like, you get the amber and the musk and the sandalwood, but you also get vanilla. Oh my gosh. This is so, like, it's such like sensual scent. It really is. It just, it's relaxing. It's romantic, and I get a lot of compliments on this one too. That is Sensual Amber. I always have some of that. Oh, and the old packaging, this one is $13.50. You see that? Yeah. So I'm glad they haven't redone the packaging for this one too, because the price would increase. Next, I picked up another pink velvet cupcake because I love it. So this is part of the Autumn Glow collection, and I love the packaging, that marble with the blue and the gold. Oh, so pretty. So the scent notes are sparkling red berries, whipped pink marshmallow, and sugared praline. And this one is sugary, and you get the berries, and it's sweet, and you get the vanilla, and it's just delicious. It just smells like, oh my gosh, it just smells so good. I love like really sweet fragrances, and I love this. This is one of my favorites. And then on the die down, you get that that praline note that gives it like more of a gourmand scent. I love this. I actually did a review on it. I'll link that video for you right up here. So that is Pink Velvet Cupcake. Then I picked up Dahlia because I actually gave my set away. So this is the packaging. This is a new-ish release. It's been out for a couple months now. The scent notes are velvet dahlia petals, crisp pear, praline musk, and whipped tonka bean. It says, as summer eases into fall, wild dahlias paint the landscape in their soft pinks, deep crimson, and luxe golds. Inspired by this beautiful sight, Dahlia by Bath & Body Works is a uniquely luminous and cozy fragrance that embodies bold femininity. And this one is definitely bold and floral, but it's very, very pretty. This one is strong. Like, yeah, it's strong. So I gave my mist away, but I think I like this one better in the lotion just because it didn't overpower me so much. I like layered the body cream with the fragrance mist, and it was just a little bit too much. I'm not the biggest floral fan, and the fact that I like this one really says a lot because it is just really, really lovely, you guys. It's a lovely floral. If you like florals, you need to smell this one. It's really nice. That's Dahlia. And then I picked up white pumpkin and chai. And this is a new release. And I love this one, you guys. Let me read you the scent notes. Cinnamon cider, spiced pumpkin, and vanilla glaze. It says, wrap yourself in the heartwarming scents of the season and cozy up by the fire to gather with grateful hearts. And this one is delicious. It's a wonderful, wonderful, cozy fall scent. Oh my gosh. It's like you get the cider and the pumpkin and the spices. Oh, it's so nice. I did a review for this. I'll link that video for you too to check out. Love this. I love it so much. It's part of the Give Thanks collection that was just released on Monday, I think. I think it was released on Monday. And it's in the collection with Lakeside Citrus, Frosted Cranberry, and Whipped Almond Vanilla. And this one is beautiful. I love gourmand scents. So this is right up my alley. So that is white pumpkin and chai. And my box is empty. Thank you for spending the past few minutes with me. If you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. And please comment and let me know that you stopped by or what you were able to pick up for this sale. I love to hear new ideas and fragrances that you guys love, like Hello Beautiful, something that I just overlooked. Like I knew it was there, but I just kind of overlooked it for whatever reason. So if you found this content helpful, like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.